This light soup is everybody's favorite now in my house. Trust me, you're going to love it. So all you have to do is to trust the process. Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Linda and you are welcome to Cooking with Efia. Today I share with you this super delicious and a very mouth-watering Ghanaian light soup or pepper soup recipe. In fact, you're going to love this combo. So all you have to do is to trust the process, as I always say. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe and be part of this amazing family. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's get started. To begin with this light soup, let's start by cooking our vegetables. For vegetable of choice, I'll be cooking some pepper, fresh tomatoes, garden eggs, onion, and that is it. We're going to go in with enough water. I'll allow it to cook for about 20 minutes until the veggies is nice and very soft, and once it's ready, I will blend and add it to my soup. Now let's proceed by steaming our protein. For protein of choice, I'll be using fresh beef, and also I'll be going in with some cow feet. Trust me, this is the very soft one. You can use the hard ones and you are good to go. For seasoning, I'll go in with some blended garlic, ginger and onion, and with some natural herbs as well, which includes some bay leaves and also rosemary. Next, I also go in with some meat seasoning powder, tomato paste. Moving forward, I'll go in with some salt to taste as well. Let's go in with enough water. We're going to allow it to cook until it's nice and very juicy. If this is your first time stopping by, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Here I share easy and amazing recipes right here. So if this is what you're looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel, and also do turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload amazing videos like this, you will be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so now this is the first time checking the meat and it's still very hard. I'll allow it to cook for extra 10 to 15 minutes, and afterwards this is how everything looks like. It's looking super juicy and very soft at the same time. All that is left right now is to go in with our cooked blended vegetables. Light soup are always very easy to make. You don't need to stress yourself at all. With just your meat and your vegetables, you are good to go. And trust me, it is amazing as well. So do trust the process and you are going to love it. Now we're going to make it light according to how we want the thickness of the soup to be. As always, add in the water according to how you want it, okay? Let's stir everything together once again. Make sure to taste for salt at this time, okay? Or you can allow it to cook for extra 10 minutes before you taste for salt. Alright, so at this point, let's also go in with our fried fish. Use the fresh one if that is what you want, okay? The fried fish also adds extra flavor and taste to the soup. If you want to see how I fried this fish, I'll leave the video link in the description box for you to check it out, okay? So now I tasted for salt is wasn't enough, so I needed to go in with a little bit of salt. Let's stir the soup once again. I'll cover it halfway and allow it to cook until it's nice and ready. As I said, light soup is very easy to make, so you don't need to stress yourself at all. Alright, so let's cover it halfway and allow it to do its own thing until it's nice and ready. Whilst that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank my returning subscribers and new babies right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for always liking my videos, sharing and also commenting on my videos. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so we've been cooking the soup for almost 30 to 40 minutes now, and this is how it looks like. I'll allow it to cook for extra 10 minutes and the soup should be ready. It's very simple and super easy. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this assorted meat and fried fish like soup or pepper soup recipe. It turned out super good and I hope you're going to give this recipe a try. I enjoyed mine with fufu. You can also enjoy yours with some rice and pesi banku or any other thing that you can think of. Thank you so much for watching this video up to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Kindly do subscribe to my channel and be part of this amazing family. Thank you for watching this video and see you in my next upload. Bye.